Now let's have a look at this question. The question says we need to find out the change in cash realizable value from December 31st, 24 to 31st December 25. Now we have the closing balances of the last year, and then we have some information regarding the account receivable this year. So to find out the change in cash realizable value, we first need an closing balance of the account receivable this year. So first let's draw a T account to find out the closing balance. Now we have been given the beginning balance, then we know the sales account, and we have cash collected from the customers and the account written off during the year. Now accounts receivable, as we know, is an asset account. Increase in asset is debit entry and decrease is credit entry. So first of all, we will need to draw a T account of account receivable to find out its closing balance. So the beginning balance will be the balance given in the question as last year balance, which is to be brought down this year as an opening balance. Sales account will increase this balance, and when cash is collected from the customer, it will decrease the account receivable. Also, when any account is written off as bad debt, it will decrease the account receivable account. So cash and write off as are decreasing the asset account will be put on the credit side of the account. Thus we will get the closing balance of the account receivable. Now the allowance for doubtful debts to be estimated has been given in the question. So when we will deduct allowance for doubtful account from the accounts receivable, we will get the cash realizable value for the year 2025. So we got the ending balance of account receivable as 1749800 less allowance for doubtful debts, and we will get which is 144000. So the cash realizable value is 1605800. Now to find out the increase in cash realizable value, we will deduct the cash realizable calculated this year from that of the last year. We know that the cash realizable value of last year is less than this year, so there is increase in cash realizable value. Now when we see the calculation, we see that the increase in cash realizable value is 117800. So the correct option is $117800 increase in cash realizable value. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel.